This critical thinking activity teaches the power and purpose of strategic thinking. To begin this lesson, pass out the paper face down. It is very important that the students do not look at the paper until instructed to do so. Explain the directions. Students have 60 seconds to circle as many numbers as possible in numerical order. When the teacher says go, students will look for the number 1 first, circle it, then try to find the number 2, and so on. Students must put their pencils down when time is called at the end of 60 seconds. Now, if you're feeling brave, print the downloadable handout and try it for yourself before watching the rest of this lesson cast. When time is up, ask how many students got to the number 5, 10, or 20. Most students will have found less than 20, but probably 1 or 2 will have found significantly more than everyone else. They have uncovered the strategy. Ask those students to explain how they found so many numbers. Some students might be able to explain that they saw the paper in 4 quadrants and that the numbers moved in a clockwise direction. To teach the pattern to all of the students, have them fold the paper in half, vertically and horizontally. Then they open the paper to reveal the 4 quadrants. You'll notice that there's number 1, and then mirroring that in the next quadrant, you have number 2. Across the y-axis, number 3. Across the x-axis, number 4. Then the trick is to find number 5, and then find the mirror image in the next quadrant, 6, 7, 8, and so on, with 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now that the students know the strategy, give them another clean sheet of paper and see how well they do this time. Give the students 60 more seconds and see how many numbers they can circle. In general, all students increase their score, including the students who discovered the strategy on their own. The value of learning how to use a strategy is that 1, the work is more efficient, and 2, because the work is more efficient, students are exposed to more information even within limited time constraints. And 3, everyone achieves at a higher level, even the students who are already doing well. Whether you are using this activity to introduce the importance of a reading, writing, or math strategy, students will recognize the value of applying a strategic method towards future learning.